This sensor is used to detect the current ambient brightness. Next, let's wire it up to make a test. Connect gram to gram, VCC to 3.0 volts. Connect SDA to A4, SCL to A5, INT to D2. Connect the board to computer with a USB cable. Then, take a look at the sample code in the firewall. You can see two libraries needed, Y.H and APDS9930.H. Click to open Arduino 1.8.2 version software. You can see that we have placed these two libraries under the root directory of Arduino libraries. Next, copy the code and paste them on the Arduino software. Right-click Computer to select Properties. Click to open Device Manager. For port, you can see the Arduino Uno R3 content. So on Arduino IDE, use your clickers. For board, select Arduino Uno. For port, select Content. After that, click Verify to compile the code. If compiling successfully, click Upload to upload the codes to the board. Click to open Serial Monitor and set the baud rate to 9600. Finally, you can see the value change when touching the sensor. Thanks for watching.